oceanic subduction. Okay. This part now is all about how does the water end up in the ocean interior. Okay, and that's what creates, or what the process that moves water into the ocean interior is called oceanic subduction. It's not geologic subduction of continental plates, it's the subduction of water. Okay, you take water and you move it to a different level, deeper in the water column. So now, in order to imagine that, it's shown here in this little sketch. So essentially, water is moved along the surfaces of the same density. Okay, that's the key in the understanding. So if you have a water of a certain weight per volume, of a certain density at the surface, it can be moved into the ocean interior if it follows the same density line. Okay? So now the process that induces the subduction is generally a convergence of wind-induced currents. So the winds are such that they horizontally compress water, okay, because water is uncompressible, it has to escape and move downward and horizontally away from it. And this one is shown in this little sketch. So imagine you are in the Southern Ocean, okay, and the location A is a little bit closer to the pole, and the location D is closer to the equator. So this is the area where the intermediate water is formed, and then you move this water along the lines of the constant density. So D turns into D dash, C into C dash, B into B dash. So instead of a horizontal stratification, you end up with a vertical stratification. And this is how new water ends up within the permanent thermocline, and this is how the intermediate water is formed. Okay, in this example, it is induced by winds. Okay, the surface winds, driven by wind force. This mechanism is called oceanic subduction.